Hi everyone, it's me here and I've been nominated by $5 stars to do the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge thing. As you can see, it's full of water and ice. And I'm not that excited about it, but I have to do it. And so I nominate AG Beauty and everyone from 7 Crazy Dollies. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! I just did it! Okay, so, what you could hear, I nominated AG Beauty and Rachel from 7 Crazy Dollies. Peace.